In today's video, we are hiking to one of the most beautiful and most challenging viewpoints on Koh Phangan, Bottle Beach Viewpoint. We'll climb through jungle paths and over rocky slopes, but once you reach the top, the view is absolutely incredible. The panorama from above is breathtaking, and the hike is totally worth it. So if you decide to take on this challenge,
don't ever give up.
Our adventure started early in the morning as we left our resort and headed toward the Bottle Beach Viewpoint parking area, which isn't exactly easy to find. It's about an hour by motorbike, and the ride takes you through beautiful scenery with tropical palm-lined roads and peaceful local villages. As we got deeper into the jungle, the surroundings became even more lush and wild, and that's when the real adventure began. We might make it to the Bottle Beach, or we might not. Watch until the end to find out, and make sure to subscribe for more island adventures.
Good morning! Today we decided to visit Bottle Beach. It's quite a challenge, and the drive from Koh Resort, where we are staying, it's an hour. Actually, for us took about an hour too, right?
Yeah, about an hour.
Yeah, about an hour. So now we park here in a Bottle Beach parking lot, and from here we heard it's about 20 minutes hike to the viewpoint. What we read online and what we've heard from people, everything is so confusing. So let's see how it's gonna be. The road here looks really bumpy, steep, rocky.
Well, we've seen worse, so that's gonna be fun for us.
That's right.
We like hiking.
So let's go to the viewpoint and we'll give you all the insights once we get there. Right here, motorcycle behind us. The people behind us, they gave up. Actually, I see more people parking here in front of the viewpoint. So I guess we parked a little bit early. It says 1.5 kilometers. Somehow tape was placed on top, so we don't know how long it's gonna be. So we were just talking to a guy, and he told us that it's about 15-20 minutes to get to the viewpoint. But what also he shared with us, that there is no access to the beach from the viewpoint, so you have to come back and then take another trail to take you to the beach. So we'll see, we might do that as well. Oopsie. It was raining 2 days ago, so the hike is a little bit on a wet side, but nothing bad. We've seen worse. You know, once you visit 5, 6, 7 islands here in Thailand, you get used to everything and you become like water. So far, so good.
Just a normal, regular hike.
Yeah, exactly. Like
special.
a regular walk in the park. But I think it's starting from here, so let's see. We don't know what to expect. We see a couple in front of us, so we'll talk to them and see what they're gonna say. So how is it?
Very good.
Oh, thanks. Okay, so what we heard, the last part of the trail actually is the hardest part. So you have to climb.
Climb, and I forgot my rope.
And the beginning was like a very regular, nice walk, and now it's getting harder and harder. Bottle Beach adventure.
Yeah.
If you read online, you're gonna read so many crazy stories online. Believe it or not, we did not buy any of them. We decided to come see it ourselves. Oh, I'm getting tired though. So far, so good. It's very hot, so make sure you bring your bottle of water. How do you like it, guys? Right?
Yeah, lots of people, but good.
So we heard there are a lot of people over there right now.
Oh, that's what you said?
I wouldn't be surprised. That's a very famous place here in Koh Phangan, the Bottle Beach. So probably it's gonna be crowded.
I see tents in front of us. Maybe the full moon party moved here to Bottle Beach because we hear a lot of loud music here coming from the viewpoint. A lot of bottles here. No wonder why the beach is called Bottle Beach.
Part looks a little bit challenging, but we're gonna make it.
Yes. Make sure you just watch your steps because I never do.
Don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. You have a rope on the right side, just in case. Keep in mind.
You go first.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be Tarzan.
Is it slippery?
That sounded like turkey, by the way. Okay, baby, you gotta be very careful.
Save me, my Tarzan.
You should bring me back to civilization.
And teach you how to read and write. Ow!
Be careful.
Let's go, dear Tarzan. Oh.
Стали одним целым, и это не просто метафора постельных сцен. Одно сердце на двоих, одна мечта, лишь бы в этом плавании выдержала мачта. Почему не спишь? Я за нас двоих небеса молю.
That was the Russian crowd. They were listening to a song called Why You're Not Sleeping and something like that. That's all I understood from the song. It says, why you're not sleeping and why you're so silent, and look at the sky, and that's all, nothing else. My previous life, when I lived in Europe, I learned some Russian, but I don't remember much. I actually understand maybe 70-80%, but speaking is kind of hard for me now because I mix many languages. Bottle Beach! 1 kilometer! I think we are very close to...
Very close to where?
To the viewpoint.
What kind of viewpoint is that? A lot of rocks.
Yes, that's the hardest part people are talking about. So let's see. This is what is in front of us. Let's see if we can find a way how to get there. If you have any health problems, please do not come to this trail.
Okay, so Lina has been dreaming to come to a place like this.
No way. Yes, rock climbing is not my thing.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, I don't know if I can do that, baby. No. You sure?
Yeah. That's it.
Don't come with flip-flops.
Come on!
How is it? Under the rock?
your head. Almost there. Almost there.
I made it.
You made it.
Daniel loves rock climbing, right? Rock climbing, it's your favorite.
No, thank you. Well, guys, we made it. That was quite a challenge for us and for everybody else. There are actually 3 ways to go to the viewpoint. We took the left under a rock. There is another in the middle. I think the hardest one is on the right.
On the top. We made it only with minor injuries.
Absolutely.
I hurt my leg and right here. That's nothing compared for other injuries we heard here on the trail. So now, what sounds good right now? Cold coconut. And we made it to the viewpoint. And it's beautiful. If you're more fearless, you can go to the end. We did not do that part, but it looks exciting. This is the view. If you never make it to here, I want to show you the view. Wow, the view, it's worth it.
We're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath and then you'll be stronger. We're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath and then you'll be stronger. We're gonna be strong. We're gonna be strong. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets.
Don't ever give up.
You can do it.
If you don't give up, everything is going to be okay.
We're gonna be stronger. This is our
And we want to be honest.
We were the oldest couple up there.
That's right.
Between 50 and 60, if we made it, you can make it. Between 60 and 70 years old, I don't promise anything.
Travel while you're young so you can
True.
see everything.
Absolutely.
Don't wait. We made it.
We're gonna be strong. We're gonna be strong. This is our fight.
We just completed Bottle Beach Viewpoint and now we are going to the Bottle Beach itself. So once you exit the viewpoint on the right side, you see the way to the Bottle Beach. So this is where we are heading now. This is the way. Kind of looks bumpy, but it's okay. I think it's doable with bike. Daniel went to get the bike, so we shall see if we can do it with a bike or not. Let's park here and go to Bottle Beach. Apparently bikes are not allowed. If you have a bike, you need to park it here. If you cannot walk, get a taxi. It's 100 baht per person. If not, you just continue walking.
For about
30-35 minutes or so. It's just a minor injury. I fell on the trail, but it's okay. We keep going. You can hear the sound of the jungle. So many palm trees. It's just beautiful. We're approaching Bottle Beach now, and I can't wait to have a big cold coconut. So I want to show you something here. We were right there at the viewpoint just 40 minutes ago. Let's go to the beach. I just can't wait to go to the beach. Wow, I can't believe it. We made it to Bottle Beach. I hear the restaurant. That's the first stop for us. Wow, so beautiful. I love it.
Oh, that's a dream beach.
Welcome to Bottle Beach. After 40 minutes hike from the viewpoint, we finally arrived to Bottle Beach. It's a beautiful beach. We'll be swimming for a little bit here and then we'll have lunch. Let me see yours.
Fish and chips.
Looks good. Hopefully it tastes good. We got a taxi. It's okay. Let's go, lucky boy.
Yeah, lucky girl.
Oh God, we still have a lot more to go. Lucky boy, take me to the beach. The sunset tonight, it's stunning.